Okay, the idea is to make something like this, and something like that, and we'll mirror it. So we get this object here. Delete that, we don't need that anymore. Snap it, all the points, like that, and flip. Now we don't need these polys anymore. Well, actually, yeah, we do. Excuse me, because I need to have this for this object for later. So anyway, so let's just delete this and snap it, flip, array, radial array, and I think it's like 10. That's not what I wanted. It's not 10. It's 14. Okay. Merge. And just to see that it's right, we hit tab so we know they're connected. And they are. So there we go. We got this object. No, actually, I want the inverse of this object, so actually we don't need that. We'll just copy this, go to layer 2, paste, and we want to keep only one. Oh, I got symmetry on there, sorry. Sorry about that. Let's just delete those. Cut, paste. I want to mirror this again. Delete. Flip. Move. Okay, and radial. Now only merge these ones. And now I got something like that. So if I move this here, this is what you got. Okay. So now I got this and this. So they're the same. Let's just change the order of things here, because I want this to be layer number 2. And okay. So layer number 1, layer number 2. Now we can morph this actually. I'm not going to do that right now, but we can. Not exactly sure how to go about this, but let's try. I think I will try the pull tool. So So it's going to be something like this, I guess. Let's see what this does. I want it to shrink like that, so that means that if it shrinks, then it should be like that. Right, so you want to go like that first. Okay. And then simply just flatten it. And here comes the interesting part. We're gonna run mesh 3D mesh coordinator. Let's see, that's here. Okay. So select these two. Run the plugin. Again, select those two. Run the plugin. And select those two and run the plugin. Because now we can take this one and have this second layer in the background, and we can say background to morph, map morph background to morph. And we'll just call it 2 actually. And let's go to layer number 1 again, choose the base, and now take the third layer, do the same thing, background to morph. Call this 3 because it's layer number 3, and that's what we have. This is what we got. So now we got base on the first layer, and the second morph, the third morph. All right. The third morph should actually be all the way down here. Okay. So yeah, let's just save that. I guess this is where it gets interesting in layout. Can I remember this? That's kind of confusing. It's kind of tricky to find what you're looking for. Maybe there should be just a search field here or something like that. Why this is enveloped, I have no idea. Very strange. Well, at least you can see that it works. So the idea is to morph it like this. No. Let's say morph it something like that. And then morph it like that. Oops, that's minus. Sorry. So, all right. So first stage is this. I think it sounds like that. Is that right? Let's see. I might get away with just going like that. And that. I like that. I don't know. I'll have to play with this, see how you want to make it. And of course, when you morph it like this, when you morph it like this, you want, for example, you want to put instances on this. So use dpunt instance or something like that to put the objects onto it, and then it morphs. Of course, you also want to make it like when it morphs, rise as it morphs. So I don't know. There's one way of going about it.